The house is completely empty. The person had died in this situation. Well, no one thought to include or exclude the riding lawnmower. Well, the family of the person who died knew they were picking up the riding lawnmower. Well, the buyer thought the riding lawnmower went with the property. There's nothing in there that says that. So those are things where there's a perception from, a person who's a buyer but may not be schooled like you or I or another agent or broker or lawyer in the practice of law and contract formation. So personal property items are a big issue.